So Dad is going to spread some fert where we let the cows out yesterday. Right, let's go and catch Dad up. The control box for the fertiliser spreader has been left on, so now the battery's dead, so now we're going to have to jump start it. Dad's going to use the pickup to jump start the tractor. We are taking the jump lead from the tractor to the pickup. Now Dad's going to start the tractor. There we go, all back working. Let's unconnect to jump lead and get fertiliser spreading. Now we're just going to put another bag in the fert spreader and then Dad'll go. So now we are just topping the fert spreader up. And then we'll go and start spreading. First we've got to make sure that the fert isn't solid because we left some in. But I think now my dad's just going to take the front attachment off the loading shovel and put on the pallet forks. So Dad's now getting some fert. So this is nitrogen, what Dad's putting in the fertiliser spreader, and what this does is it helps the plants flourish and grow strong. reason why it's in bowls is because it allows it to get to the roots a lot faster. So the JCB loading tool is probably one of the most well used machines that we have on the farm. So seeing as how it is sunny, so Dad's gonna go subsoiling a couple of fields because it's apparently going to be very wet for the rest of the week now. So hopefully Dad will do some good filming. So we use the subsoiler to break up the pan and let the ground breathe. It needs this because of all the heavy machinery and the weather that compacts the soil down. The subsoiler does not turn the ground over like a plough. We work with heavy duty shanks that drive deep into the soil. The shanks have blades on them that when the tractor drives, it breaks up the hard pan underneath the surface. Some of the fields that we're doing are going to be ploughed and some of them are going to be left for grazing.
Stressing me a bit now because I'm just not liking it. No. It's almost as though I don't know.
We've tweaked some of the settings and we're going to see how this goes. So we're getting in the sheep to go through them, do the feet and spray them, and also pick out a few to go to be sold. So Grandad's putting the fly spray on, I'm shedding them in, and Dad's doing the feet. The Suffolk lambs do look really good though. Despite the weather, they're growing well, and we've not had any with fly strike yet. So the blue stuff that you can see on the back is what we call fly paw, but its actual name is ectofly. It prevents fly strike, which can lead to maggots. Dad is tagging all the lambs that we are taking to the market. Why do we tag Dad?
Tag sheep. Well, lambs. These are lambs. They've got to be tagged because they've all got to be sort of like have an identification. But these tags are electronic tags, so you can get a scanner that you can scan the tag, and it gives you the information as to the holding number. So where the sheep has come from, basically, so it can be traced through its life.
Let's get them loaded up and take them to the cattle market. So we just arrived at Clitheroe auction and just unloaded the lambs. So these are ours, and in a minute we are going to get ready to be sold. They look good, and when you look at everyone else's, I am quite happy with them. Let's help move him to the ring. These are ours in the ring. The pen before was really good, and it looks like these ones are too, and I'm happy with them. So we got something very special going on, and got an audience, and then here is some seats. If you can guess what's going on, go down there. So if you've liked today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. This will give you notifications to my video. Don't forget they're every Wednesday and Sunday. And like I said, do you want to guess what this is? If you do, there'll be a link down here and you'll be able to see